Stay super still.
How am I looking?
Wow.
Am I beautiful?
Done.
You ever wonder why when you're doing your eye makeup you like open your mouth? Do you do that?
No, because you're usually doing my eye makeup. Yeah, I mean, it's been a minute since we've had a full glam moment. Hair and makeup done, getting a little sexy dress, putting on some heels. Looks so good.
Do we like?
Yeah.
I had to just, you know,
You have
snatch
to do
it
more.
out.
I love it. We've been friends like 7 or 8 years. I used to wear a big, like, wide-brimmed hat. I thought I was punk.
When you first buy your mascara, if you open it,
Oh, you let it dry out.
You let it dry out for a night. You open the cap and it applies like so nice. Fire.